hide. But Mr. Chin brawling. The man they come set up big old mechanical shop. That will show you how we, as Jamaicans, we are so hypocritical. And me have to wonder if we hate we own self as black people. But when you see a white man and a Chinese man come in, automatically we give them 100% support and we welcome them. And when we hold them accountable, say, yo, you don't have no permit, you can't work. Them same Jamaican, they cause Jamaica say Jamaican bad mind.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
You can't believe that? Boy, I don't know. I don't know. It's so weird. Where a group of Chinese man, a group of white man, a group of Indian can literally come to Jamaica and set up big old business, wholesale, supermarket, mechanic shop, and some of them are do it illegally. Or they not have a permit to do it, but them still allow them. But Jamaican can't go nowhere else go do that. No way. You think anyone we can go to China go do that? Set up shop where?